Self-practice 4.9 question 1. Convert the following to a logarithmic form. Right. So here is where you start to learn how to use log. Let's say if we have 2 to the power of x equals to 2. So here we know 2 is just 2 power 1, so we can easily find what's the value of x. But what if we have a question that says 2 power x equals to 5? So here you can't really convert 5 to base 2. So here is where you will use the help of log. So what you do is x becomes the subject. So 2 will become the base of the log. So you move 2 that side, becomes log base 2 5. Okay. So again x comes down, becomes the subject. 2 we move there, becomes log 2 5. Right. So this is how to change lah. So if you type this in your calculator, you're going to find the actual power. Okay, let me show you. So let's find log base 2. Oh, my calculator doesn't have log base. Oh, it does. Log 2 5. Log 2 5 is 2.321. Okay, so let's try. 2 to the power of 2.3219 is about 5. Okay, if I take more significant figures, let's say I continue 28094. See, it'll turn into 5. Okay, so 2 to the power of 2.321 or 322 will give us 5. So we can actually find the power that gives us the value of 5 lah. Right. Let's look at how to convert all these into logarithmic form. A. 3 power 4 is 81. So 3 we bring there, it becomes log 381. And of course 4 comes down now, becomes the subject. B. 2 power 7 is 128. Therefore 7 is log 2 128. 5 cube is 125. So 3 comes down, log 5 125. And then lastly D. 6 cube is 216. 3 comes down, log 6 216. Done. That's it.